Okay, so in this video we're going to look at some bash basics. So let's start with some basic output. So echo hello gives us hello. Okay, so I want to write that to a file and create a file. It would be echo hello, and then a single greater than symbol creates that document or creates that file, that text file, and we should write hello to it. Now if I want to see that file created, I'll type ls to list the documents and folders in this directory, and there's my hello text file. If I use the sort of GUI, the folder, and there's my hello text file, and then hello is on line 1. Okay, if I wanted to create a file in another directory, very simple, cd document, change directory documents, and then let's call this one new file, and then new file text. Okay, so that's creating the file, new file.text, and then ls will show that file there. Okay, if I want to go back home, cd, and then this symbol here, which is on my keyboard, is on the next to the hash key, or on the hash key. And then I am going to now modify that first file I created. So, echo my name is Ben, and then let's modify the file, text file. Okay, so that's going to write my name is Ben into this file here. It's going to amend it, whereas the first one is simply writing that file. So it's important you don't make that error if you're working on a document and using the correct symbol. Okay, so if I want to see that file now in the GUI, it will have on line 2, hello, my name is Ben. Okay, so if I want to sort of view that file in the terminal, it's just simply cat hello text and then hello, my name is Ben there. So if there's a long Word document, for example, it would show all the entire document in the terminal. Now let's just make this a bit cleaner and go clear, and just clear it off so you can see what I'm doing next. So another way of sort of reading a file could be this command, which will show how many lines are in that particular file. So I've got 2 lines of text on there. So a better way or a cleaner way of doing that particular command, or if you were reading an executable, is to use a pipe. So a pipe looks like this, and then let's separate those particular 2 commands. So that's a much cleaner way of doing it, especially if you've got multiple 5, 6 plus executables that you need to run. It looks a lot cleaner than using the first way I showed you. Okay, so that's sort of bash programming basics in the Unix terminal or Linux terminal. Now I'm just going to finish up with some Boolean operators. I'm going to start with the AND operator. So let's go cat hello text, use a pipe, WC, and then and echo. Okay, so that means both of those must be true to get an output. Okay, so if it was let's say something rubbish, I shouldn't get an output. Okay, so because they both, one of them isn't true, then I'm not getting an output because they both need to be true. Okay, so if we just go on to the OR operator as an example, I could go, and then if I use double pipe, and then echo, okay. My first one's not true, but my second one is, so it gets a result. Okay, so that's the 2 main Boolean operators in bash programming, the AND and the OR. Okay, so that's bash basics in a nutshell. In the next video, we'll go over variables.